Okay, this is sample VO.C15. VO is vector operations, so that's what we're going to be doing is a vector operations question. The question is to solve for the coefficients alpha and beta, and those are coefficients of these two vectors such that this vector equation is true. And of course, if you recognize this, a scalar times a vector is just that scalar times every element in the vector, and the same here. So in essence, what this means is we have a top row equation, which will read 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 5. And at the same time, we have a bottom row equation, which is alpha plus 3 beta is equal to 0. So it forms a system of two equations with two unknowns. And of course, we just went over how to solve all systems in the last unit. So we're just going to convert this into the augmented matrix that represents the system. So that's 2, 1, 5 and 1, 3, 0. And then if we run this through the miracle worker of our calculator or Sage and get the reduced row echelon form of this particular matrix, this is what we get. We get 1, 0, 0, 1, and 3, negative 1. So you can see that the R and N are equal, and we don't have a pivot row in our final column. And that means there's a single solution because we have 2 for R and 2 for N. And so that single solution is alpha, which was column 1, is equal to 3. And beta, which was column 2, is equal to negative 1. So those are the coefficients that make our original vector equation true.